Yo, I welcome each and every one of you watching Kennedy Bobie Entertainment. We really appreciate you for always supporting us and viewing us online, YouTube, your number one YouTube channel. As you know, we always been covered by Ultimate Media, the number one media in the city. Right about now, as you know, we are here to host the number one biggest event in northern Uganda, and I guess each and every one of you knows that's Lango Entertainment Award. Yeah. Right about now, we feel like bringing the CEO himself, yeah, for Lango Entertainment Award, so that we know the process of the award, how it's going so far, how everything is going. So let me welcome him officially online as I talk. It's not other than MOI Daniel. Thanks a lot for joining us.
Thank you, my brother and the viewers outside there. I am the CEO of Lango Entertainment Awards, and most of the people who knows me physically, others just hears about me, but this is me.
By the way, even last week, part one, someone was asking me, someone coming from Kampala, asking me, who is Daniel? Who is Daniel? I think we can even use this opportunity to make everyone know MOI Daniel.
I am MOI Daniel, radio personality, the entertainer, the promoter, and events organizer.
Yeah.
So that is me.
Wow.
Yeah.
I really love that.
Yeah.
So, Daniel, before we go far, you can maybe make us know, how is the process so far? Lango Entertainment Award. Many people, I believe, they have picked up their form for nomination. So people are eager to know about the process of Lango Entertainment Award, how it's going so far, yeah.
Our viewers outside there, this is the 5th edition of the Lango Entertainment Awards.
Yeah.
It has been a long journey for us. We started way back in 2016.
2016?
Yeah.
Oh God.
So we are still moving on, but every year we come up with new things, and we have never failed to do things that promote our artists and the entertainment as a whole. So this 5th edition, we are trying to make it a little bit different because you know about the pandemic.
By the way, that has also been the question. Many people are saying, how are these people going to handle this? Despite the coronavirus is going on, and because people used to know that whenever this award is coming, you used to organize some big events which gather so many people, and that is also the question of the day.
Yeah, the fact is we can't give up because of this pandemic.
Yeah,
we are trying to make everything work for LEA and for the entertainment industry.
Yeah.
The good part of it is that we have been in the lockdown, but the artists were still doing music.
Okay.
The studios were open, and the mic were open, and the producers were doing their things.
Wow.
So everything was on. Radio stations were playing music, TV stations were playing music.
Yeah.
So it can't go without being appreciated for what they are doing.
Wow.
So in this 5th edition, we have already started the journey. We are done with the submissions, and unfortunately or fortunately, the submissions have so far been closed last week. We are in the process of doing the vettings, and the vettings is on. So by next week, which is just a day to next week. Yeah, because the expert, those who knows the good music, the bad music, the good message in the music, which song is supposed to be nominated, which artist is supposed to be nominated, who are the guys who are supposed to be nominated for LEA awards are now in the process of bringing out the names.
Wow.
So they are the one working on it.
So they are still filtering it.
Yes.
To make it more perfect.
Yeah.
I really love that.
So that is what we are doing. So far this year we have 24 categories.
24 categories.
But in the other edition, 4th edition, we had more than that. But because of the lockdown, it has
so which means it's reduced.
We have reduced it.
Okay.
But not that it will be like that. It is just because of this lockdown edition.
Yeah.
Because there are other categories that we can't keep them in this lockdown edition. Yeah, since like the MCs, their offices were closed.
Yeah.
Because for us, we always appreciate those who perform within that year. It's a calendar year. So this year, the offices for the MCs were closed. DJs did not perform. Yeah. So there's no way we can appreciate them for what they have done. Yet they did not do anything. All the offices were closed.
MCs and DJs.
Yeah.
Try again later.
Just for this edition.
Just for this edition.
Yes, just for this edition.
Okay. So apart from that, Daniel, you can also maybe wrap us through. Another category is added this year, which wasn't there.
But first of all, we have tried to make it a little bit bigger. We did not have the overall artist of the year, Northern Uganda, but so far we have already brought that one in place.
Wow.
So we are going to have the overall artist who is big.
That's so great.
Who has done so far the best.
Wow.
Who has stand for
in
us.
The whole Northern Uganda.
Yeah, whole Northern Uganda.
So if you're watching us from Acholi land, watching us from West Nile, just know this year that everyone is covered. Not only Lango region, as many of the people used to think. Yeah. Everyone is covered. So let's take this thing and value it as more important.
Yeah. Also, we have tried to make a little bit of change in the female artists of the year.
Female artists, yeah?
Yeah, in a sense that we have seen a lot of competition there, and the few of the female artists that we have in the Greater North. So we have decided to remove that category that says female artist Lango. We have made it something bigger. Wow. So it is the overall female artist Northern Uganda.
Wow.
So competition will not be only in Lango, but it will be for the Greater North.
So, which means our ladies here pull up yourselves.
Tough. So,
survival for the fittest. You are waiting to see and witness all this.
Yeah.
Can you also maybe take us through the theme of this year?
The theme of this year, we thought it twice and came up with an idea. We have seen our sisters have seen a lot and they have suffered a lot. It depends us. Yeah. Some of us are parents and some of us are sisters. As long as you are not a parent but you have a sister at least, and we have young ones growing up. So we have seen a lot of evils happening with them in this lockdown. Yeah. So we have focused on them because even through music they can listen to us more than any other thing else.
Yeah.
So we decided to bring in the theme which says Peya Chapolitiri.
Peya Chapolitiri.
Teenage pregnancies.
Wow.
So because this lockdown, you have been seeing what has happened with the younger generations, our sisters being pregnant,
especially young girls. Yeah, I'm glad. I'm also very glad to host you in the period of 16 days of activism.
Yes.
This is so wonderful. We are advocating, and the same thing is what Lao Entertainment Award is doing. Daniel, what's about the main event? When is it scheduled?
Tentatively, we have the 19th of December.
19th?
And that means we only have 13 days.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it means within this period, people are going to use it to vote?
People are going to do the votings.
Yeah.
But that is the tentative date. There's possibility for us to change.
Okay.
Yeah, there's possibility for us to change the date. Because of what is happening. We are still in contact with the authorities, the DPC, the RPC, Ministry of Health, the government themselves. So for them to advise.
Yeah.
We thought by that time, the closing of places like happening places would have been relaxed.
Yeah.
But since we are still in the lock, other places are still locked up now. We are also still revising,
still monitoring here and there.
and see what we can do. But the fact is, even without that, we had already planned to organize. I mean, to run the event, and we have very many options. We can go virtually. We can go anything. That comes on our way. We are ready. Everything is ready.
So everything is ready. Everything is settled.
It's settled.
Now, if it's to go virtually, do you have any maybe the platform or which will hear all this activity?
Yeah. As we talk now, I've been in Kampala just yesterday.
Did not sleep.
Yes. And I've been meeting the TV stations owners, or marketeers, to discuss how we can make it live on TV in case. That is a way of making it better.
I believe it will reach more people if you use
Exactly.
TV stations.
Exactly. That is, I can't mention the TV stations and how the deal is moving on. But actually, a lot of people are willing to go with us because of the theme that we have for this edition, and because of the focus and the vision that LEA Entertainment Awards has as per now. We have been doing a lot from the beginning of LEA, even up to today. So wherever we go to, they don't hesitate to stand with us.
So wonderful, so wonderful.
Yeah.
Finally, what can anyone out there expect from LEA Entertainment Award?
First of all, you need to expect a lot. Parents are going to benefit. Our children is going to benefit. The artists, the entertainment industry is going to benefit. Even the government is going to benefit. Because we have brought in the artists who are supposed to keep on taking their marijuana, the weeds and everything. We have brought them together. And that is the message that we always spread.
Wow.
Don't do this, do this. Don't do this, do this. If you do this, you will not be nominated for LEA. If you do this, you will not be nominated. If you do this, that. These are because we have rules and regulations that you are supposed to follow for you to be part of LEA Entertainment Awards. That is why our plan came up to support us in 2018. So because they have seen how good, how professional we do our things. So
we have cheated. If you have there and you pick your nomination form, if you get nominated, thank God we have cheated. Now you've had the categories of people we need. So can we maybe your last word to the people who are watching us and we sign out officially?
Thank you so much. LEA is there to stay. LEA is there to change people's life. And LEA is there to move ahead and do wonders both in the community and in the industry of entertainment.
Wow.
Those who are far, not in Lango, we care for you, we cater for you. That is why we are in West Nile, we are in Karamoja, we are in Nacholi, and we are in Teso, and as well as other part of the country. We will be everywhere, God willing. I pray that that day comes and everything works on well in the support of this industry. Our young girls who are outside there, being a mother doesn't mean that you get pregnant at the age of 17, 12, at the age of 9, or even 20. We still have a long way to go. The beautiful one is not yet born.
Wow.
Thank you.
Wow. That's all we can bring for you tonight. That's MOI Daniel, the CEO of LEA Entertainment Award. Hope you've heard each and everything he had said about LEA Entertainment Award. Ginameti Gang Pade, Ginameti Gang Gulu, Ginameti Gang West Nile. Makoni Jami Weng Tinum Pigang Wa Merato Gang Wa Weng Entertainment Industry with Malo. So me to one love. We sign out. Bobie Entertainment, Ultimate Media.